Hey guys, this is BMX Rider, and if this is on Vital BMX, this is Fable the Face, and this is my bike check thing. So yeah, start with the frame. It's a Sabrosa Salvador 2011. I like to lie, so I put a Sunday sticker on it and a theme sticker. And Odyssey, well, I guess Odyssey does make frames, flatware, but. Yeah, Sabrosa Salvador 2011, 2012, the dirt version. It's got a chromoly down two brushes, high tensile, but I don't really care. It's holding up fine. So, moved to forks. I got Odyssey directors. They've been painted like 4 times by a previous owner. And yeah. Bars, the Shadow Voltus, I wrought it myself, but it's not exactly the best job. Um, Grips, I've got the Odyssey Tom Dugan because they're good grips, and I just got them because I thought they looked good. I got the Colt Salvation stem with Shadow Hollow bolts. You can't really see inside, but I stripped out my old ones. I didn't get them because I'm weight queer. I just stripped out my old ones. So I got a Fiend headset, which I don't really like because it clicks sometimes. It's stopped recently, but it does it every once in a while. Let's move further back. I have the Odyssey Eric Lichtenberger saddle. Sucks he's off the team, but I've got his seat. So I got the Fit Post stock clamp. I have Verde cranks, but I stripped out one of the bolts, so I kind of just YOLO'd and welded it on one side. So now you could say I have 2-piece cranks, I guess. But yeah, I got the Verde cranks, Odyssey JCPCs that will murder you. Got the Odyssey $1 Million sprocket. I got a stock bottom bracket, which is actually holding up over a year now. I got an anti-seal. The Shadow half link, I want to get a full link soon, but I don't think I'm really going to break it considering I have $1 million and the Shadow drive side guard in the back. So yeah, I guess we'll move to the wheel sets. I got a Primo balanced rim, laced to a Primo Remix with the Primo 14 gauge. It's the Primo Remix complete wheel. So, yes. I got the Shadow drive set hub guard. This thing is thick. I mean, I grinded it already, and it's like all it did is scratch the paint. So, yeah. Tires are the Odyssey Chase Hawks. I've had these things since Christmas, so they're lasting a while. They're kind of dirty right now. But yeah, I got the Odyssey M pegs, which are actually really nice pegs. I got them for $20 for the pair at a local bike shop. Not my favorite one though, but $20. So in the front, I have a stock Alienation hub with some homemade axle that I got from some guy on Vital. His name is Green Bastard. So yeah, in the front, of course, I got an MPEG again. I've got Odyssey Quadrant with I don't know spokes, and again a Chase Hawk in the front. So yeah, this is my bike, and then that is my full cut helmet. Even though everyone looks retarded in a full cut. So yeah, I like stickers. This is Fable the Face and BMX Rider signing off.